DFCC Sports Day is an annual event. It is an event where everybody from across the country come to one location to have fun. There is an element beyond fun as well because it's an opportunity for people to meet their colleagues from other branches. They work hard during the year and they give off their best. So this is an opportunity for them to really let their hair down and have a good time.
I think it has been a resounding success today. Multiple events, major competition, very aggressive in how they compete, which is actually how DFCC also competes in the market. I would also like to give out a shout out to all our employees of DFCC.
It's a lot of talent that I've been seeing from the beginning. It's a fairly energetic team that we have that works hard, play hard at the time that they have to play.
They now full fun එකේ ඉන්නේ ඔක්කොම අවුරුද්දට සැරයක් නේ මේක ඕගනයිස් කරන්න බෑක් එකෙන් ගොඩක් කට්ටිය අපි ඕවර් ද ෆෝන් කතා කරන ගොඩක් කට්ටිය අපි මීට් කරලා නැහැ හවස වෙනකන් ඉන්නවා full jolly එකක් ගන්නවා.
Really having a good time with all the teams. So they will be playing some music here and we will be having some great dinner. So hoping to have a good time with the team.
When it comes to DFCC Bank, it's all about teamwork. It took about 2 months to organize all these. So it's a great success. I thank all the people who participated, all who contributed, top management and the board of directors for giving the necessary resources to have such an event like this.
මේදුරු තුඩුවේ ඉඳලා දෙවුන්දුරු තුඩුව දක්වා මිනිස්සු ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්න ස්පෝට් එකට.
ඇත්තටම සතුටුයි. හොඳ එක්ස්පීරියන්ස් එකක්. අනික අපිට එක එක බ්‍රාන්චස් වල කට්ටිය හම්බ වෙනවා. අලුත් යාළුකම් ඇති කරගන්න. ඉතින් මේක අපිට හොඳ ඔපචුනිටි එකක්.
So the culture, it's pretty amazing. People are very friendly. The staff is amazing. I'm here for more than 4 years now. They are very supportive and we have a very good culture. It's actually a best place to work.
Thank you very much for the DFCC management and the whole organizers to have kind of an event as an annual event.